Hello everyone, right over here. Hope you're having a great day. So today we are going to talk about this bad boy behind me, my 34-inch monitor hovering over my desk. To be honest, ever since I switched to a 34-inch monitor from my previous 27-inch, I was like, damn, I've been missing out a lot. This is great for productivity and gaming. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. So let's start with the specs. So we have that off the table. So over here we have a 34-inch 21:9 ultra-wide screen from Xiaomi. Resolution is 3440 on 1440 with 300 nit brightness and 3200 contrast ratio. It has a 16.7 million colors and 121% sRGB color gamut. For occasional gamers like myself, this monitor also has a 144Hz refresh rate, 4 millisecond response time, and an AMD FreeSync. On the backside of this monitor, we will find two HDMI ports, two display ports, and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the side, you will also find 5 physical buttons, which allows you to change stuff like brightness, contrast, picture profile, or turn on and off AMD FreeSync. I paid around 400 euros from this monitor. I think it's a great price, especially if you compare it with other monitors in this category from Samsung or LG. But maybe you're asking yourself a question. Do I even need an ultrawide monitor? That looks way too big for me. Well, if you're someone like me who works behind a desk all day and likes to have a big screen, I definitely recommend getting an ultrawide monitor. I use this monitor setup for designing, video editing, watching YouTube, gaming, or just overall content creation. I'm the kind of guy who likes to have a lot of windows and tabs open at the same time, so having that extra real estate on the screen is super helpful for me. So how is it actually working on an ultrawide monitor? Well, I'm a designer, so for me what's really important is the screen estate. Especially when I'm designing or video editing, having that possibility to have a big canvas is just great. By the way, you can grab those wallpapers that I created in the video description. Obviously, people are saying that you should always have the best monitor as a designer to get proper colors, but it's actually not exactly the case. Even though it's super nice to design on a Macbook screen with super crisp colors and amazing color accuracy, the content you are creating is going to be seen by people with probably different screen than you have. So it's always good to think about it while you are creating something and check your designs on the different monitors or even just your phone sometimes. I can always check the content I'm creating on my MacBook and adjust the colors so they work not just on a MacBook screen but also on a monitor with slightly different colors. So one of the reasons I actually picked up this monitor was definitely the design. This monitor has a matte finish and the overall design is super clean and minimal. The bezels are quite thin, around 2 cm on the bottom and around 1 cm on the side. I'm not really a big fan of gaming RGB LED strips everywhere, and big logos is definitely not for me. Xiaomi monitor has only one matte logo on the back of the monitor, which I'm completely fine with as I don't see it at all. From the front, you only have one small LED light on the right side. Alright, let's talk about the gaming experience on this monitor. All the games I'm playing supports 21:9 aspect ratio, which gives me a really nice immersive experience. This ratio gives you around 30% more of gaming interface compared to a traditional 16:9 ratio. Combining this with a AMD FreeSync technology, 144Hz refresh rate and 4 millisecond response time, I'm definitely having fun whenever I get to play some games. When I switched from my previous monitor that only supported 60Hz refresh rate to this one, everything just felt so much smoother. I tried gaming on a 240Hz monitor and you still see some small differences, but definitely not as big as between 60 to 144. Of course, not even mentioning that being able to run games on a 240Hz monitor, you will need a pretty high-end PC. I'm running all my games on my small mini ITX station with the RTX 260 Super. So yeah, that's it for the video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the monitor, or if you know about anything better on the market right now. I'm always up for suggestions. Thanks a lot for watching the video, stay rad, and I'll see you next time.